As part of the month-long series of activities and events held during the 11th China Yangtze River Three Gorges International Tourism Festival, the Date with Wanzhou Meet the Three Gorges National Online Media Tour begins its journey with the Wanzhou Grand Waterfall. It has been dubbed as Asia's #1 waterfall with an astounding 151 meters in width and 64.5 meters in height. Located in Ganning Town of northeast Chongqing's Wanzhou district, the national 4A level tourist spot boasts a breathtaking 1,600 square meter cave underneath the waterfall, as well as many other places of interest. After a quick intro tour to the Wanzhou Grand Waterfall, journalists went on board the Golden 7 cruise at the Wanzhou port to attend the launching ceremony of the 11th China Yangtze River Three Gorges International Tourism Festival. This year's event features a dozen thematic activities running from mid-November to late December, such as the Three Gorges-themed Concert of World Great Rivers, the Date with Wanzhou Meet Three Gorges National Online Media Tour,
对出席旅游节活动的各位领导，今天的启动仪式共有4项议程。
And the tour in Three Gorges start from Wanzhou group tour for Sichuan, Chongqing, and Hubei tourists. The latter of which was held right after the launching ceremony. What's more, for this year's event, the counties and districts along the Yangtze River Three Gorges scenic area will come together and introduce more than 100 special tourist routes for people to better appreciate the wonders of Mother Nature and the beauties of local culture.